Hey guys, so the installation is continuing here at BelAir Downtown. So we installed K-Station, and now here we are at BelAir Downtown. You've got to see this. We've got the column wraps up. We've got the sign up now. You've got to see how it looks. Just incredible. So excited about this property and what we're doing here.
Here's a shot of the smaller sign. This is going to be a parking directional. As you can see the details there, the neon, the channel set neon letters, the BelAir at the top. It looks so sweet. And just take a look at this. This is a product that goes on, it looks like it's painted on brick. You see every detail of the brick. This is really going to help illuminate this corner office.
Anyway, I just want to show you guys what we're doing here live. You got to see it. And the more it comes, there's going to be some massive stuff. You don't want to see that. So we'll keep those to you as soon as possible.